class 3 students, welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are good and safe at your places and doing your map practice also. So children, we are doing lesson number 18, locating places, and we had started with the map work, and also yesterday we did 9 capitals and their capitals, 9 states and their capitals too. So today we will be continue that. We will be doing more states and their capitals. We will be learning about states and capitals and we will be doing map work too. So before doing map work, you all have to open your notebook and where we did yesterday work, and we will be starting from that page again. So everyone make heading of that again, state name, and here capital name. Again we are starting with this and like this. Okay, so the first हमने 9 कैपिटल्स कर ली थी, 9 कैपिटल्स हमने की थी, एंड आई होप आप सबने लर्न भी कर ली होंगी साथ साथ. So firstly I told you about Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir's capital is Srinagar. Then second I told you about Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Shimla. Punjab and Haryana capitals are same, that is Chandigarh. And then I told you about Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand capital is Dehradun. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur, and Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. And so we did this one, and one more we did Gujarat, and the name of state Gujarat, and its capital name is Gandhinagar. Right? So today we will be starting with 10th state name. After Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, we are starting with the 10th one, that is Maharashtra. Maharashtra, Maharashtra. And capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Then next is Bihar. Next name of state is Bihar, and its capital is Patna. Its capital is Patna. 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 Then after this, next is Jharkhand, and capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. 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 Then next is 13th, which is Chhattisgarh. Chattisgarh. Chhattisgarh, which is the last one, Chhattisgarh, and its capital is Raipur. Its capital is Raipur. Okay, so after this, next is Karnataka. 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 And now the capital of Karnataka is Bengaluru. 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 Then next is Kerala. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Then next state name is Tamil Nadu. And the capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Okay. Now after this 17th is Andhra Pradesh. Okay, it's Andhra Pradesh and the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Hyderabad. It's Hyderabad. And also one more is same about Telangana. Telangna. Telangana. And its capital is also same, that is Hyderabad. Okay, that is Hyderabad. Do it quickly. I'm erasing this one. Here we will be writing more. Okay, so after 18th, here 19th I am writing, which is Orissa, and its capital is Bhubaneswar. Bhubaneswar. Its capital is Bhubaneswar. Then last one, we will be doing only 20 states and their capitals. So yes, it is West Bengal. It is West Bengal and Kolkata. Okay, so these are the states and their capitals. Now let's see this, see all this in map, how we locate in map. So everyone just open your map and start doing it with me. So yes students, in the previous session we did these all capitals and states. Today we are doing more. So just have a look on it and keep your map with you, because you all have to do practice with practice of it. If you will not practice, so आपको अच्छे से learn नहीं होगा कि कौन सी place पे कौन सी location हमें mention करनी है. So you all have to learn it carefully. Now हमने यहाँ तक कर लिया था मध्य प्रदेश तक. Now just under this मध्य प्रदेश, here it is Maharashtra. 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 So this is yes, this state is Maharashtra and its capital is Mumbai. And its capital is Mumbai. Okay. Now after this, yes, so this boundary is Karnataka. 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 And its capital is Bengaluru. Here it is. Its capital is here. That is Bengaluru. Bengaluru. And it's Karnataka. Clear? Now here with the Madhya Pradesh, this place is with the Madhya Pradesh. Here you can see this place is Chhattisgarh. This place is, here you will write Chhattisgarh. Okay, here you will write Chhattisgarh. C double H, here it is CHHATTISGARH, Chhattisgarh. Okay, and the capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. Here it is Raipur. Okay, here it is Raipur. Now after this, This place you can see, this place is with the Chhattisgarh. Here it is Telangana. Here it is Telangana. That is TELAGANA. Telangana. And its capital is Chennai. Its capital is Chennai. Understand? Telangana's capital is Hyderabad. I'm really sorry. Its capital is Hyderabad. And after this, under the Telangana, here again one more is Andhra Pradesh. ANDHRA, Andhra Pradesh. And its capital again is same, Hyderabad. Telangana and Andhra Pradesh capitals are same, is Hyderabad. Okay, understand? Now under this, here it is Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU, Tamil Nadu. This is the place Tamil Nadu and its capital is Chennai. Here it is. This is the capital, Chennai. Clear? This is the capital of Tamil Nadu. That is Chennai. Now here this place is Kerala. This place is Kerala and its capital is just here. Here its capital, its name is Thiruvananthapuram. THIRU and Thiruvananthapuram. Here it is. This capital is Thiruvanantham. Okay, it's capital of Kerala, Thiruvanantham. Now, after this, here we are coming with Uttar Pradesh. With the Uttar Pradesh, here it is Bihar. Here it is Bihar. And capital is Patna. Bihar's capital is Patna. Then under this, here this place is, this is Jharkhand. JHARKHAND, Jharkhand, and its capital is, what is the capital of Jharkhand? That is Ranchi. RANCHI. RANCHI, that is Ranchi. Clear? Now under this, here, this place is Odisha. And its capital is Bhubaneswar. This is the capital of Odisha, which is Bhubaneswar. BHUBANESHWAR. Bhubaneswar. Clear about it? Did you all done this till here? Okay, now one more is left, that is here. This place you can see, this is West Bengal. West Bengal. West Bengal, and its capital is Kolkata. Capital is Kolkata. Okay, so these are the states and their capitals. We will be doing only this much in this class. In the next class, means in 4th class, we will be completing this map. So yes, that is all for today. And thank you so much for watching all. Keep practicing of this map. That is all for today. Bye bye. Take care.